Hello there, I'm Clyde Lacharon, and I'm here to show you some easy steps including LCD screen and CD. The importance of cleaning the LCD screen and CD is that you can clean up the dust particle on your screen and CD to avoid damaging it. Let's start in cleaning LCD screen. Unlike a computer monitor, the LCD of flat panel display is not made of glass, therefore it requires special cleaning procedure. Now let's begin cleaning. This is an Android phone, an Oppo J1, and in cleaning the screen, obviously, you're gonna need some cleaning tools and materials in cleaning. You're gonna need microfiber cloth or any clean cloth that you may use, and alcohol, and
Ano yung sa'yo?
and let's begin. Wipe it first, then put a little amount of alcohol in your cloth, and then konti na pero ang dami. You can use one finger in cleaning it. Wipe it in a circular motion, just like that. And just like in Karate Kid, wax in and wax off. Then wipe it down and you can do it again. Again. And that. And let it dry. And that's it. Very easy. You can also apply it in cleaning your tablet or TV screen. And let's proceed in cleaning the CD. In cleaning CD, it's very important to avoid scratching it. And the things you will need in cleaning it is a cloth. And first, start it from the middle, then wipe it towards outside. And that is easy. That's it. The another one in cleaning the CD is you can use water in cleaning it. That's all. And thank you for watching this video clip. I hope you learn some tips. And for more info, you can search on google.com and youtube.com.